Cauliflower soup. There are so many ways to enjoy this vegetable: riced, in salads, roasted, and cauliflower soup. Your ingredients are 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon nutritional yeast, and don't forget the reserved water. We start by cutting the cauliflower in half. And what we are going to be looking for are uniform pieces. So when you boil this, everything gets done at the same time. We add it to boiling water and we simmer this for several minutes. And we do a check with the fork. Go ahead, put it on a plate. It moves away from the fork, it's not ready yet. Our second attempt, as you'll see, it's fork tender. Drain the cauliflower and reserve your liquid. We use our Vitamix and we're going to put half of the cauliflower in there with the ingredients: a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast, butter and pepper, and the reserved water. Go ahead and turn on your Vitamix or whatever blender you are using, and we are going to take this up on high to get it to a consistency that works for our soup. When this is completed, we are going to go ahead and turn off the Vitamix and add it into the same pot that we boiled the cauliflower in. We then do our second batch of cauliflower with a little more salt and pepper. We left out the nutritional yeast. We did add some reserve liquid. And as you can see in this one, it's a little bit thicker than our first batch, and that's okay. And if you don't like the black pepper specks, you could use a white pepper instead. Again, we're going to bring this up on high and get it to a consistency that we need for our soup. You can tell this is thicker than the first batch. We go ahead and mix it all together. I wanted a little bit more liquid, so remember, you can always add more liquid. It's harder to take it away. Get it to the consistency that you would like, and don't forget to taste your food. We did croutons. You can click the link below. We also did marinated curly shrimp for this recipe. The link is also below. Here I am plating first the croutons, the curly shrimp, and then go ahead and pour your soup around the perimeter with a dash of chives.
Soup. Okay, Tina, cauliflower soup with delicious shrimp and homemade bread croutons.
That's really delicious.
The very first date we had, I made her this.
A version of this.
And I did king crab legs instead of the shrimp. And you know what happened? That's what happened.
We appreciate your likes and subscribes. We hope you cook this and then sit down with loved ones to connect, nourish, and get your vitamin L, vitamin love. See you on our next video.